How to read any books using Deepseek AI. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So Deepseek AI is an advanced artificial intelligence tool that specializes in natural language processing. It can summarize, analyze, and extract key insight from text, making it useful for reading and studying books more efficiently. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to use Deepseek AI to process books, generate summaries, answer questions, and extract important information. So let's begin. First of all, you want to go ahead and open any browser in your PC, and then in the search bar search for chat.deepseek.com, and once you search for it, you want to go ahead and log in or sign in to your Deepseek account. So once you're logged into your account, to get started, you need to provide the book's text to Deepseek AI. There are two main ways to do this. If Deepseek AI supports file uploads, you can upload a PDF TXT file directly. Alternatively, if you have the book in digital text form, you can copy and paste the content in Deepseek AI input field. Ensure the text is formatted correctly for the best results. If the book is scanned or poorly formatted, some pre-processing may be required. So once you have uploaded the PDF or once the text is available, you can start analyzing it using Deepseek AI. To quickly understand the book, ask Deepseek AI to summarize chapter section. For example, let's go ahead and type in summarize chapter 5 of this book. So after you type in summarize chapter 5 of this book, it will automatically generate a concise summary for you. So you can simply go ahead and ask specific questions about book's content, themes, or characters. Some example may include what is the main theme of this book or explain the relationship between character A and character B. Also, if you would like to highlight important ideas, request Deepseek AI to extract key quotes or main arguments. You can use a prompt like, what are the most important quotes from this book? If the book is in another language or uses complex language, you can simply translate or simplify it. For example, you can use translate this passage or rewrite this in a simpler terms. To keep the track of your findings, you can save your notes, summaries, and analysis with Deepseek AI or export them to external platforms like Notion, Google Docs, or Evernote for easier reference. Deepseek AI also offers additional tools to enhance your reading experience, such as comparing books, generating discussion questions, and also creating study guides. Hence, Deepseek AI can be a powerful tool for reading and analyzing book efficiently. Whether you are a student, a researcher, or just someone who wants to understand books better, this feature can save time and improve comprehensions. If you found this guide useful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.